This is my 2010 Fit Bike Co. Mike Aiken 1 bike check. First start out with, I got my ODI long neck grips, ODI Red Barons. I think it's a Tecrobe respringable brake lever, an Odyssey blue brake cable, my stock Fit bars, a Tree Bike Co. top load stem, stock Fit forks, stock Fit headset, Kink Bike Co. brake cable holder. Got my Safu front and back pegs. Got Odyssey tires, front and back. Got the stock wheel that came on it, stock front wheel. Let's move on. Got Odyssey blue PC twisted pedals. My Salt cranks, I think they're 175 millimeters. KMC chain, Haro sprocket, Haro 25 tooth sprocket, sorry. Stock brakes, Odyssey clear brake pads. Got a Weeman double wall rim and a Black Ops hub. Let's see, got stock seat clamp, Federal seat post, and my Odyssey seat. And that's my bike check. 2010 Fit Bike Co. Mike Aiken 1. Alright, bye.